N63 might be a little bit of a time bomb, but damn, does it sound good with the red exhaust. Welcome back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Today, BMW M550. This car is the N63 engine compared to the S63 you find in the F90 M5. But this N63 engine with our full catback exhaust really has that AMG kind of rawness sound, which we absolutely love. So today we're going to show you the full sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, and do launch control. Shane's going to be rocking and rolling, taking you guys along the process of enjoying this M550. Again, full catback, stock downpipe, stock everything else. So no modifications other than the catback exhaust system. But let's get to showing you guys the car. But it's important to remember this car in particular, we're prototyping some new tips that we were going to work into the fascia, kind of like the factory M550 tips. So don't necessarily look at the exhaust tips. Those are not how your system will come. Your system will come with its own individual quad tips. But just remember that. Let's get to the sound, guys. Check it out.
Folks, inside the M550, and the valves are closed right now. We're in comfort mode. This car also has a stock downpipe as well. You're gonna want to be able to retain that executive driver sedan type characteristic. It's telling me it's cold. And you know, keep it quiet. You know, when you're on the highway doing excessive speeds, you're gonna want to be able to stay quiet and enjoy your ride and be comfortable. I have the massage sheets on right now, so yeah. Valves are closed. You can't even really tell that the car's modified right now. You still get a little bit of a rumble out back. You still hear it. You know, it sounds really good, especially if this car had intakes as well. You'd be able to hear, you know, intakes when the valves are closed and then exhaust when the valves are open. But you know how we like to do it over here at Valvetronic. So what we'll do, we'll throw ourselves in sport, pop the sunroof for you guys as well to give you more sound. Valves are open. Yeah, you get the major whip cracks on the shifts as well. So overrun. Yeah, right around 2,000, get a lot of overrun. This car's freaking out at me saying that I'm leaving my lane. Somebody buying their M550i exhaust. Could be you. That's a brutal sound. Turbo whistle. Stock downpipe. Honestly, very impressed with how this car sounds with the stock downpipe, just the catback exhaust. All the overrun and the whip cracks on the shifts. You guys can hear it now, but you'll be able to hear it way more on the outside too. We're bringing you guys to our notorious airstrip, so just listen to the overrun right at 3K. Whew. You almost get like E39 M5 type sound, like that growl that these V8s should have had from factory. Ready? Listen. You can hear it. We'll get a nice whip crack off the building here. Tip the windows. For you people who like the pops and cracks, this is definitely the exhaust system for you. Get all the overrun. We just pulled up to the airport, so we're gonna throw you guys outside for some exterior clips now.